Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this video, me na K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If you're the first time this way you come across this channel, I beg enter with your popcorn and grab a seat, and of course don't forget to subscribe and for turn on your post notification. So my people, as I'm a bug getter today, me don't look the street of social media, can't see this army, but me not get founded back up, or as in the information self e get as e dey, because the people wey take concern, my people, never come out can't accept the allegation wey they take put on top their head. My people, na sabi this our two Nollywood actors na, yes, Yul Edochie and im colleague. My people, then call Yul Edochie call out say him don't use the colleague take do baby mama things, as in say congratulations to Yul Edochie and im colleague. My people, say they don't welcome a bouncing baby boy. I know say una suppose ask una self, like, who bring this kind matter come out? Una sabi say in the world of amebo, my people, we get senior amebo doers and we get ones way that they still learn, as in the senior blogger for amebo don't come out he don't come call Yul Edochie Kuti juice. My people, he say Odogu don't do extramarital affair, say Indy don't welcome son with in colleague. My people, make we read them. Yes, he say congratulations to one of our Nollywood's finest, Judy, on giving birth to a very healthy baby. Can we congratulate Nollywood's Odogu? Since na him the Naxis since before babe got pregnant and went off for a while, according to Nollywood's amebo wing from the east. My people, wetin una hear na wetin dey as in say na Odogu come give this in colleague Austin he come give am belle. Since we don dey wait, like wetin dey play, what is happening, my people? Before we know, Kitty just can't come out again. He say handsome gangster, sharpshooter with his gorgeous mistress. Congratulations to the newest Nollywood's parents. I think our new baby will be so gorgeous, cause parents are very good looking, I must confess. My people, una dey see am for una screen now, make una dey read them together with us because the screenshots too many. One not read make you self take pause the video, take read. My people, I see the matter. A lot of people can't they complain, say, but what is happening? Because they can't they worry, they can't they worry for this Yul Edochie wife and family. Say how they go take react. My people, make we read this one. It baffles me that some single ladies who are very much aware that the man they are dating is a married man and still yet goes ahead to get pregnant for them. My people, the matter take plenty. Make we read still. I feel like tagging them and asking them this question straight. Another person say, I have already asked him on his page, and not they follow him, so make a cuckoo finish the aproko. I don't want cutie page to be reported. As in my people, this one na aproko people when they know the joke, that they go na bomba to bomba. My people, I see the matter, me self can't think say, but waiting they happen, as in waiting they play. Some others say just checked her page. She has Yul picture on her page claiming he's his able director as Saba Enugu Nollywood, small but very corrupt. My people, the matter take full ground. I say waiting they happen. Now so fans that just can't they play, fans they can't they carry talk, say say Yul Edochie of all people. People say our future president, no. Una sabi say this Nollywood actor Yul Edochie don't come contest like he won't become president for 2023, but the matter now it don't come out it not easy. Another one say waiting this world they turn into, so you did this shit. Waiting we know, my people, we don't wait now, we don't wait. Say when Yul Edochie and in colleague they made them con talk now, as in when they con talk. Another say Nigeria's 2023 first lady Mr. President ain't playing at all. Hey my people, the matter get see them. I beg my people, wait till una think about this matter. May una dey read the screenshots they carry put una comments for comment section, because this matter full chest, it can't come out. A lot of people self come dey talk say im be like this Yul Edochie na enemies come dey do this kind thing because they no want say for 2023 my people make it come present himself as president and make people take believe am as in that they take tarnish image for say me actually no be candidate for presidential elections, my people. And not that come talk say all this matter na cloud chasers, say people come dey carry follow clouds. Now why that they use in name, my people? But we know Kitty Juice. When I sabi say Kitty Juice na one amebo blogger we not the carry play matter na. It's a talk and bomber to bomber the way it take get time. But we have been waiting on them, sha. Let them come and tell us. Now true or not be true. Another one don't say I don't kuku go follow her, so she go lock me inside her page in case violence go start before she padlock her page. Bye people. When I sabi say these Nollywood actors and actresses and celebrities and everything, my people, immediately your name come pop out like that, where people come they visit your page anyhow, people come they write all kind bullshit comments for comment section, my people, that they put their pages for private. So people don't already run carry their body, go follow the celebrities before you won't come put in page for private. We don't handle the matter, enter carry our seat with popcorn, come take sit down so that when the matter pop up, we go the full ground. Oh my people, hey, I see this one, I say, but wait till they happen. We are waiting on them. Let them come and tell us now true on a lie. I seen, but wait till we take no, my people. Now say there is nothing hidden under the sun. If Kitty Juice they lie, my people, we go still discover am and we go carry go for her page, go and give am to her, say this amebo we bring no be founded amebo, say the amebo no get backbone. But if it carry can be say na true, my people, waiting again, we go still take our mouth, take put inside, take do amebo, my people. I see, I say I can't dey pity, I can't dey think about this man family. When I sabi say Yul Edochie, he be one of those people where people they look up to. He be one of those people where people they carry look, say this one no, he gets the way he heads there. Na man of principles. Na man where he sabi look straight. He they look like a ruler, my people. But the matter get as it day. The wife marriage no easy. Not to carry her like that. So celebrity self for be celebrity kuku, my people, you know kuku come easy because they go carry your name. They cook pot of soup with them. I say. They say better soup na chief cook am with better money, my people. Anyways, we're gonna wrap up this video for here. But before we close, if you dare you never subscribe to this channel, waiting they wait for. You know what? Know the updates for this gist. Make you follow, subscribe for this channel. You turn on your post notification so that whenever me I upload a video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. And of course, leave your comments for comment section so that I go know say you were around. I'll see you on my next video. I love you all. Choose.